Namaste, we are Team Rewrite Revolution. Our idea represents this period of Nai Soch Naya Bharat, a safer, smarter, and more responsible for India. Our project is Rewrite Hope.
What if writing one of the simplest daily tasks became a challenge someone could not perform longer? Today we are here to share a solution that can bring independence, creativity, and confidence back to those individuals. Many people with physical disabilities, writing difficulties, struggle to express them in written. Students, elder, and patients are recovering from these injuries, often find writing painful or impossible. This creates communication barrier and learning challenges, emotional frustration. We wanted to solve this problem. Our idea is Rewrite Hub, the automatic writing machine that can write and draw anything using a normal pen. It is a technology based device designed to write and draw automatically. It reproduces handwriting, complete notes, and creates diagrams using programmed command. It makes daily writing tasks effortlessly. Here is our working prototype. It uses servo motor, stepper motor, and a microcontroller that move the pen in precise direction, just like a human hand. It can write letter, draw shape, make diagrams, and create smooth handwriting, helping even those who cannot hold a pen. So far, we have completed the mechanical frame, installed the motor, and written the main Arduino code. And the machine can already draw shape and write basic letter. Plan to add voice to text, make a lightweight and portable version, and create an app for personalized handwriting style and make it affordable so school and special needs students can easily access it.